Hi guys, welcome to Run BTS Watch Party. Today's episode is episode 5, and we'll be starting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So Chuseok is Korean Thanksgiving. Korean traditional games today. So in Korea, if you're in school, there is a sports day where all the students gather and play sports against each other. These are all traditional Korean games. Oh my god, the elephant spin. Oh, so they have to relay it in 100 seconds? And if they can't do it, they have to start over. Is he trying to open the. Seems really hard though. So the first game is Chegichagi. So it's a little. Think like hacky sack, and you're very close. Second game is Tombstone. You're supposed to throw a piece of rock onto another rock. That's how you score. And the numbers upside down doesn't mean anything, just, fashion. That time. So throwing the milk carton inside the basket is a very OG thing to do in Korea in elementary school. We all drink milk, and then there's a basket. So we had fun, throwing the empty milk box to the basket. So they're all playing like games that they used to play when they were in elementary school. Calcium. Jimin just yelled like, "I want to be on screen time too." He couldn't get any screen time because he's at the end. Jin's feet are so powerful. Nice. What's next? What's next? The last one is songpyeon. It's a traditional Thanksgiving Korean food. It's basically sweet dumplings with rice cake. It's really good. Some good Thanksgiving food. 추석 food. Oh no. Ew. Okay, guys. Any questions about the episode? Did they celebrate a specific Korean event for their Thanksgiving, or is it just time for gathering? Koreans do so Thanksgiving, it's much like Christmas even. You all gather with your family. and you eat really well usually, and you bow to your elders, all that good stuff. What is chon? Chon is basically it's basically, how do I say chon? Chon is like a pancake kind of, but it's savory. So you can make it with any kind of veggies or even kimchi, like kimchi pancakes, which is awesome. What is chuseok? Chuseok is basically Thanksgiving. The staff don't look that old. Do you know what's a typical age for idol staff? Depending on their roles, it really differs. Like I've seen managers as young as the idols, but of course like over 20. Was that a Bloody Mary they made? So back in those days, harsh punishments were very common in variety shows. That's why. Why all the kicking? There, boys will be boys. What was RM's game? He was basically throwing a tissue in the air and spinning real fast and catching it. Why crack nuts with their teeth? I didn't. What do you mean? Can you explain the names of the games again? The first one was Chegichagi, which is basically a hacky sack, but a Korean version. Very, very traditional. And then they had Pisokchigi, which is Tombstone. Tombstone crashing, I think that's the best translation. Where you would throw a rock to another rock and make sure it falls. And what else did they have? They had the milk carton thing. So back in the day in elementary school, everyone had milk for lunch. So you would drink the milk and, boys will be boys again, and just throw the milk cartons around and try to make it into the basket. That was the game. And also 송편 던지기, which is they were throwing 송편, which is a traditional dessert for Thanksgiving, and they're throwing it across and they had to catch it in their mouth. Rip staff, yeah. Isn't Christmas in Korea more like couples holiday? Yes. Christmas is more like a couples holiday. It's not really family oriented. New Year's is more like for family. Are we gonna watch 6 and 7 together? Yes, we are going to watch 6 or 7 together next time. We want to take it slow as possible because if we want to watch as soon as possible, we can't binge it because we have to drag it until and watch it together until they all come back. Any more questions? History of Chuseok. Chuseok is basically a celebration for good harvest. So it's around at, August-ish. Will we watch episode 6 part 1 and 2 next time? Yes, we'll watch part 1 and 2 next time. How are the translations? Translations are always okay for BTS, but the thing is they miss a lot of small stuff because they're they're not used to variety shows, so everyone's talking over each other, so they can't catch everything. Anyways, thank you guys for watching Run BTS Watch Party episode 5. We will come back with episode 6 next time.